Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix video recording not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, again click on restart icon and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps, app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera. After click on camera, click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, if you want to fix this problem, click on force stop. After force stop camera app and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on storage and cache and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.